Hey, what's up everybody? This is a quick little video of my BMW S1000RR. See, a few modifications are full Austin Racing exhaust, carbon fiber belly pan, aftermarket Fender Eliminator kit made by Werkes, and I think I pronounced it right, but whatever. You guys can leave a comment below. And see, I have my Seat Cawl, but it's not installed. It's sitting at home. I got to do a few modifications to the stock frame so I can take the hardware out and then, you know, switch it over so I can put that Seat Cawl in. But anyways, took the mirrors off, and see, here's double bubble windscreen by, forgot who it's by. Maybe it's Puig, I don't know. But I think it sticks out too much. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And let me start it up for you guys. Let me get my keys. Alright, so that's a little intro to my bike. Hope you guys liked it. And I'm going to be having some videos coming soon with the GoPro. Let me see, I'm going to be changing the stock tires out for some Michelin P1s. Don't really like these ones. These are the Battle Axes by Bridgestones. I'm going to be getting a gold chain and upgrading the sprockets. And let me see, that's about it for the bike. I don't want to do too many heavy modifications. You know, out of the box, this bike's, well, fast as shit. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good day and watching.